I need is a beer.
A beer.
A beer. Put the fire out. These jokers are on your. You take any goddamn
No, I'm taking a video. I'm taking a video.
Don't make no matter to me. This is my mom. She enjoyed some crabs. I don't care. Woo! Boy, you season these things good.
See what I did the other day, I made them and then I had some left over. I picked the crab meat out and make some crab cakes.
Ooh, I bet you that was good.
With some potato rolls.
What?
I had some coleslaw, hot sauce.
You think you know something? You see him?
Huh?
Did you see him?
Who?
Down.
Yeah.
That boy's so funny. He's funny acting, period. He ain't been up here.
Oh, really?
No. He's a weirdo. These crabs are weirdos.
That's right. That's eat them up. Eat them up.
Who cooked these? You?
Yeah.
Boy, you know your mama.
With some beer. Steamed them in beer.
Okay, how much they burn me? I'm gonna keep on.